Here we introduce the operation method of the endurance testing equipment of the washing machine door SN1401. First, assemble the left and right parts. Then rotate the base out to support the equipment. Then fix the connecting block. Then connect the aviation connectors at the back of the control cabinet according to the labels. Then connect the external air source to the air inlet. Connect the air pipe at the impeller station to the air pipe joint behind the drum column and connect according to the corresponding numbers. Drum washing machine station. Enter the manual screen of the drum washing machine and press the manual door opening button to open the door to a position greater than 90 degrees. Place the sample at the drum station and align the hinge center of the drum with the center of the shaft, as shown in the figure. After determining the sample position, tighten the clamp. Plug the washing machine into the power outlet. Then fix the position of the cylinder according to the position of the washing machine button. After the sample is installed, click manually close the door. After closing the door, check if the suction cup has opened and is firmly attached to the door. With the door closed, click clear angle to set the current position as the origin. Measure the distance from the rotation center of the drum door to the door edge and set this value to the drum door rotation radius. And set other parameters according to standard requirements. The calculation of linear speed is V equals 192 automatic speed setting multiplied by pi, and 180 multiplied by 0.45 door diameter equals 1.507 meters per second. It must press the test mode selection before test. After selection, the test can operate automatically. The interlock device selects whether to open the door or not. Choose whether to separate the start and pause buttons according to the actual distribution of the washing machine buttons. Please refer to the figure below for the test parameter setting of the drum washing machine. Please refer to the figure for the drum durability test parameter settings. Please refer to the figure for the structural test parameter settings. Enter the control screen or manual operation screen. Adjust the voltage adjustment knob under the electric cabinet, and observe that the voltage display reaches the rated voltage of the sample. For the impeller dehydration test, adjust the voltage to 1.06 times the rated voltage. Then press the start button, and the device begins the test. Next we introduce the test method of the impeller washing machine test station. Rotate the hand wheel on the column of the impeller washing machine station to raise the mechanical arm, as shown in the figure. Place the impeller washing machine on the impeller station. Rotate the hand wheel to lower the mechanical arm and adjust the front and rear impeller of the washing machine so that the rotation center of the mechanical arm is aligned with the rotating hinge of the impeller washing machine. After confirming the position, secure the fixture. Position the start cylinder and pause cylinder. If start and pause are on the same button, just start the cylinder. Then supply power to the sample. If the upper cover of the sample has a handle, the test needs to be conducted using a fixture. Then press the close button. Then adjust the position of the suction cup so that it adheres to the top cover or clamp. Then enter the parameter screen and set it according to the standard. Measure the distance from the rotation center of the impeller cover to the door edge and set this value to the impeller cover rotation radius. Please refer to the figure for parameter setting of impeller durability test. The parameters for the impeller structural test are set as shown. Please refer to the figure for the parameter settings of the impeller dehydration test. When testing the dehydration performance of the impeller washing machine, a prompt screen will pop up after a cycle. After re-immersing the cloth in the impeller washing machine, press the confirmation button to continue the test. The prompt window is shown in the figure below. Adjust voltage. Check if the suction cup is open and holding the clamp or top cover. Then press the start button, and the device begins the test. Thanks for your watching.